Loading and unloading is always the most anxiety or the most hectic. So many moving parts, so many people, requires a lot of patience. I've learned a lot. I've been with the company since 2011, pretty well on the dual lane team. My impression of Goldhofer is they've really come a long way with their platform. Being able to expand and contract the trailers in just a matter of 20 to 30 minutes is way better than back in the past, because I mean, we spend 2 hours moving in every individual wheel set to 18 feet. One thing we did do yesterday, we put it on a self-tracking. Not a lot of people have that. When the front trailer drifts, it turns the vessel, which turns the turntable. Self-tracking lines run to a self-tracking control panel, and that'll tell the wheel sets to turn. Everything looks like it's pretty well level, and it's gonna be a good trip.
So the Goldhofer dual lane, it is a very efficient trailer. It's able to actually scope in to 14 foot wide or out to 20 foot wide in 2 foot increments. All the axles are steerable on the trailer. Mostly in the United States, it's anything over 160,000 pounds payload in order to stay legal.
While it's moving, my main roles are to keep my eyes on the entire trailer and the DMS tower itself. There's a lot of close contact points we have. Mostly all turns have to be hand steered, which is where I manually operate the rear half of the trailer to make it around our corners.
There are several obstacles that we have to overcome along our route. It would not be possible without the Goldhofer trailer. Very easy, very efficient. It allows the traveling public to continue on with their day.
I just want to see this thing meet its destination in a safe manner, safe for the traffic, safe for the general public.